Quinn, what are you doing?
Cookie.
What are you doing? Are you baking them?
Yeah.
So you're making cookies?
Cookie.
I want to see you do it.
So you
Cookie.
make them
Cookies.
cookies. You're right.
Cookies. Let's see. Uh-oh. Fell.
No.
You gonna eat it?
No.
No. Okay, put it in there and make it. I don't know what these are called. What are these called?
Cookies.
Oh. Making cookies, huh?
I don't want to eat this.
You don't want to eat it?
You can eat some.
No.
Hey, are you eating them?
Yeah.
Aren't you supposed to be making your cookies? What are you doing?
Eating it.
What are you doing, Quinny?
Look at his little legs.